Google Search Console is an incredibly powerful platform that allows website owners to monitor and optimize their website search performance, resulting in higher organic visibility. It provides insightful and detailed reports that show you how Google crawls and indexes your site, as well as what keywords and phrases drive the most traffic to your website. Google Search Console offers a range of tools and features such as mobile site performance monitoring, domain comparison, sitemap submission, and error reporting. It also tracks your website search traffic and performance data, allowing you to see exactly how users interact with your site and which pages are performing the best. Google Search Console provides rich insights into your website search performance, including the number of clicks, impressions, and click-through rates for your pages. It also shows you which queries and pages are driving the most traffic to your site, which make it an indispensable resource for your website optimization. Now, let's dive into how to add your website to Google Search Console. Before setting up Google Search Console, make sure that you're signed into your Google account. Once signed in, you will have the option to add a domain or URL prefix property. A domain-level property encompasses all subdomains and various protocols. However, if you want to restrict your data based on URL path segments or protocols, we recommend creating a URL prefix property instead. Now, add your website URL, ensuring that you're using the exact URL that appears in the browser bar. Finally, click on Continue. Now, to verify that you own the website, you'll need to choose one of the verification methods offered. These include HTML file upload, domain name provider, HTML tag, Google Analytics tracking code, or Google Tag Manager container snippet. Choose the option that's most convenient or readily available to you. Once the property has been verified, data should begin to appear in your property in just a few days. And that's it. You have successfully set up Google Search Console to start collecting data for your property. Let the data-driven decision-making begin. If you have any questions on how to set up Google Search Console or have any requests on what you would like to see next, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.